Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to download Genshin Impact on Android phone, so let's start the video. Open Play Store on your Android phone and type Genshin Impact in search bar. Now tap on Install to install Genshin Impact on your phone. After that, open Genshin Impact. Now log in. If you are new user, then create new account. After that, tap on Start Game. It will ask to download additional data. Tap on Confirm to download additional data. Make sure that your device has enough storage to play this game. It will take approximately 24 GB data to play on Android phone. If this game is not on Play Store in your country, then you can also download this game from APK Pure website. So in this way you can install Genshin Impact on your Android phone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.